it is the internal matter of TMC. The party has been bifurcated into two groups, and the maximum MLAs are with the Ritobroto Chakraborty, I think. What is his surname? I have forgotten. So Rito with the Ritobroto da. So I feel that it is a dispute between their party. We are nowhere to comment on it. Whatever the things that will be, governed by the rules of regulation of the assembly, and the honorable speaker will already given as a verdict. Every person's security is always remain under review. So it is a totally administrative decision. I can't say anything regarding that. Only the government official would be able to say anything regarding this.
The government of politics.
The TMC is doing politics, rather I should say, because it's everybody's security threat generally gets reviewed under the law. So it is the normal procedure of the administration. So as I am not a part of administration of this state, I can't say anything regarding this. Now, this man, this Udayan Go, I won't say, I won't call him a politician. Rather, he is a gunda of Kuch Bihar, and he unleashed severe atrocities over the BJP workers when he was in the power. Now the people, they are annoyed with him, and that's why they are reacting. I would like to just request the people to keep calm, keep faith on the administration and law and judiciary. Now the messy mishap happened in this city, and already the organizers has written one letter, and in that letter they have cleared it that the Macy's security was compromised, and it was not the organizer, rather the minister himself. He was involved in the breach of this security. Whole West Bengal will celebrate the creation of this land by our ancestor Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. Otherwise, I would have been, or maybe Mamata Banerjee would have been a councillor in maybe in Andaman or maybe somewhere else. We are here. I am an MP. Mamata Banerjee was the chief minister of the state. Even Shubhendu Babu is the present chief minister because the Shyama Prasad Mukherjee created this land for us. So we have the right, democratic right and all kind of right. So whole Bengal will celebrate. She can perform yoga in her home, no problem in that. Anybody can perform yoga, and I would like to urge the people, especially the youth and the others, to participate in the yoga day. Even I will participate.